The Bosch line of countersinks is great for deburring and chamfering openings to pre-drilled holes. Great for electrical, plumbing, and HVAC contractors. Bosch countersinks cut varied materials cleanly and accurately. With standard high-speed steel and super hard titanium-coated bits, these countersinks perform great in even the toughest materials. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Rapid Release Universal Tool Mounts adapts to most competitors' saws. Quick release lock to attach and detach saw to from stand with ease. Number 2. Adjustable roller material supports. Adjust up and down to accommodate various sized saws. Features extra wide roller for larger material. Number 3. Repetitive stops. Quick and easy setup for making repetitive cuts to length. Number 4. Carry handle with wrench storage. Ergonomic one-handed design for quick and easy transport on and off the job. Number 5. Dual sliding rails. Expand up to 12 feet minus 9 inch to support up to 16 feet material. Number 6. Height. 32.5 inches, length, 62 inches, length extended, 153.0 inches, material, heavy gauge aluminum, vertical height of stand, 32.5 inches, width, 32.5 inches. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What is the height from the top of the rail, bed, to the floor? Answer. The GTA3800 height is 31.75 inches from the floor to stand. Question number 2. Will the Hitachi C12 RSH 215 amp 12-inch dual bevel miter saw attach to this Bosch stand? Answer. The GT3800 stand is a universal mount to any major brand. Question number 3. I don't need to do crown anymore and am thinking of mounting a Bosch CM8's 8.5 inches miter saw on this stand. Too much stand for this small saw? Answer. The GTA3800 folding leg miter saw stand is designed for Bosch 12 inches, 10 inches, and 8.5 inches. Single and dual bevel miter saws including the CM8S. Using the stand gives you more flexibility around the work area. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.